Alright, I'm going to do a quick comparison on the KLX300 on the stock exhaust versus the Yoshimura. I have the RS-2 slip-on for it, so I'll go ahead and roll that clip of the stock exhaust. Alright, now for the Yoshi RS-2 slip-on. Alright, don't want to piss off the neighbors too bad, so that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to get a riding video on this thing. I'm super hyped to ride it with the new tuner and the exhaust. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.